In the United States, 16 million kids struggle with hunger issues every year. Breakfast and lunch are available to students at school, but not all families have the resources to provide a nutritious evening meal.
Right now in the United States, about 1 in 5 children, so 20% of all the kids in the United States, are faced with some degree of food insecurity or hunger.
They're hungry when they get out of school, and you want to feed them right away.
Some of the daycares that they go to, they stay until 6, 8 o'clock at night, and not sure where the next meal's coming from.
If you ask any food service manager or any staff member, they see kids every single day who they know that their last meal might be school lunch that day.
I've had a student say, "This is probably my dinner for tonight." For me to think that that we're making a meal for a child that probably won't have food that night.
So child hunger in the United States is a lot bigger problem than a lot of people realize.
There are answers to these hunger challenges. The Child and Adult Care Food Program, also known as CACFP, is a federal program that provides after-school meals at no charge to all students.
CACFP is a USDA child nutrition program focused on providing kids, school students age 0 to 18, with a meal or a snack after school. All students are able to receive those meals for free at no cost. The school receives the same reimbursement for a free student as they would for a full-pay student.
Our goal is to make sure our kids get an opportunity to have something to eat before they go home or go to a sporting event or to a practice, or just wait on their parents to get off work.
So we wanted that to be something nutritious and something that was equitable, that everybody's getting to take part in, not just our students whose parents were bringing them something, but we wanted to remove that obstacle of students being hungry as they were participating in our after-school activities and tutoring or whatever that might be.
After-school meals programs can be operated in any school district or by any nonprofit or government organization, including schools, within the zone of attendance of any school 50% or higher free and reduced eligibility. Every single one of these meals served comes with a reimbursement from the USDA. And all of that money has to go back right into the child nutrition programs. A lot of school districts are potentially looking at hundreds of thousands of dollars in additional reimbursement revenue every year, with the trade-off of a couple of hours of additional administrative time.
But if you've got the people that are willing to do it, there is no downside. Budgeting-wise, this is an easy decision too, because there's money coming back that we get to take care of some things in your food service program.
Well, the most rewarding part of the program is the kids. The first time we served the meals, there was a little boy who ran up to us and said, "This is the best pizza I've ever had," to the jazz band writing me a thank you note for the meals.
Sometimes whenever I have homework, I'll eat some food, and it keeps me focused. I like the meals, and they are really good.
I like that I have something to eat before practice, because usually I would have to bring something from home or go to a vending machine. Could be a lot of people that play sports that don't have the money to buy something every day or don't have stuff to bring, and we're all hungry after school every single day. So I like it much better this way because it helps us be in a better mood too.
Proud to be a Blue Jay, yes, we are!
I have 4 boys in the district, and at first I thought, hey, it'll just be the athletes taking this or some of my kids grabbing something to get on the bus and go. Wasn't real sure, but my kids come in